So we're here at Mavado's right now, getting some wings on Thursday night. It's Precious 12. Got the KTB, got the Pilsen, got the Crystal, got 6 Shot 28, Kid Bullock, got the Storm Shadow, and of course yours truly, Precious 12. Hey guys. Hey Brad. It's on Thursday. The honey garlic with the lemon pepper and ranch. Got some fries and gravy. What do you got there? Got some hot?
Buffalo.
Got the buffalo?
Buffalo and honey garlic.
Honey garlic? And Crystal, what do you got there? Thai chili. Spicy. Listen, what kind of wings you got?
Adobo and tinola.
Bola. Adobo. What do you got there, Chris?
Honey garlic.